let's solve for x in the equation 3x raised to power 1 over 2 equals 12. Solution. We have 3x raised to power 1 over 2 equals 12. Now to solve this equation, we make sure that it is only the unknown x that is on this side and every other thing has to be brought to the other side. Now 3 is attached to this x that we have it. To remove that, we divide both sides by 3. So we have 3x raised to power 1 over 2 over 3 equals 12 over 3. 3 cancel out here, so we are left with x raised to power 1 over 2 equals 3 into 12, that's 4. Now here, we have to find x and not x raised to power 1 over 2. So we need to make sure that this x is x raised to power 1. To do that, we square both sides because 1 over 2 times 2 will give us 1. So square both sides. And here we'll be having x raised to power 1 over 2 all raised to the power of 2 equals 4 raised to the power of 2. So here, the powers will multiply each other. So we're having 1 over 2 times 2 equals 4 raised to the power of 2. That means 4 times 4, which gives us 16. And here we are left with x raised to the power 2 goes there 1, 2 goes there 1. 1 times 1, 1 over 1, that's 1. And x raised to the power 1 will give us x equals 16. And that gives us the answer for x. Thank you.